God. Sorry. I farted.
The cow goes moo. The duck goes quack. The devil goes
I will not let you destroy my world!
I was a little bit drunk.
I got one question for you. What are those?
I will be in your dreams with unicorns.
Are you a hobo?
No, I'm not a hobo.
I see dead people. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that.
What is your name?
It
It doesn't matter what your name is!
This kid's definitely on crack right now.
Yeah! Yeah!
We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles. Oh!
Because I'm a lady, that's why. Teacher, can I use the bathroom?
I don't know, can you?
I don't know, can you get a full-time job?
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Okay, bye.